Right now, hidden deep inside your Windows directory is a massive collection of ghost cache files that your regular antivirus or disk cleanup tools completely ignore. Over time, these files corrupt, causing massive frame drops, sudden micro stutters, and permanent input delay in every game you play. In less than 3 minutes, we are going to force Windows to safely purge them. Let's get straight into it. First, press the Windows key plus R on your keyboard. In the box that appears, type %temp% and hit enter. This opens your user temporary directory where background applications constantly dump junk data. Press Ctrl plus A to select absolutely everything. Right-click and hit delete. If a pop-up tells you a file is currently in use, simply check the box at the bottom and click skip. That just means an application you currently have open is using that specific file, which is completely normal. Once done, close the window. Now for the deep directory that Windows actively hides from you. Open your run box one more time by pressing Windows key plus R. This time, type Prefetch and press enter. If a window pops up asking for administrator permission, just click continue. This folder stores launch logs to theoretically open your apps faster, but when it fills up with logs from old, uninstalled software, it completely bottlenecks your RAM's instruction cache. Press Ctrl plus A, hit delete, and clear it all out. Don't worry, Windows will automatically rebuild clean versions of these files only for the apps you actually use. Finally, we need to fix asset loading stutters in games. Go to your Windows search bar, type disk cleanup, right-click it, and select Run as Administrator. Select your local C drive and click OK. Scroll down and check only the box for DirectX shader cache. Make sure to leave your Downloads folder unchecked so you don't lose personal files. Wiping the shader cache is completely safe. It simply forces your graphics card to clear out old corrupted data from past game updates and build fresh, stable shaders from scratch. Now that your system cache is completely optimized, click on this video right here where I break down how to fix mouse lag. Don't forget to subscribe. Peace.